Exploring Korean words and traditions. Parents' Day, 어버이날. Parents' Day is a special day in Korea that is celebrated on May 8th every year. It's a day for children to show their appreciation and gratitude to their parents for all the love and sacrifices they've made. There's an important term called 효도, which denotes the practice of showing respect for one's parents or elders. It's a value deeply ingrained in Korean culture and emphasizes the importance of showing gratitude and respect to parents, grandparents, and other elders. It is often viewed as a moral obligation and a way to maintain harmony within the family and society as a whole. The concept of 효도 is an important aspect of traditional Korean culture and is still relevant in modern times. A son who upholds this value of 효도 is called a 효자, and a daughter is called 효녀. On Parents' Day, children often give gifts or letters to their parents as a way to show their appreciation. In Korea, carnation flowers have become a symbol of gratitude and love for parents and teachers, so it is very common for young children to make carnations out of paper and put them on their parents' chests, and for grown-up children to present a basket of carnation flowers. I hope this information about Parents' Day has helped deepen your understanding of this important day in Korean culture. Now let's practice some Korean words that are related to Parents' Day. 어버이, 어버이. 부모님, 부모님. 아버지, 아버지. 어머니, 어머니. 효도, 효도. 효자, 효자. 효녀, 효녀. 가족, 가족. 감사, 감사. 공경, 공경. 자녀, 자녀. 편지, 편지. 헌신, 헌신. 카네이션, 카네이션. Here are the things we learned today. Don't forget to review them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. 감사합니다.